Hi guys, today we're going to remove this clock from a Peugeot 307. You don't need any tool, just use your hand. Here you have two metal pins catching a plastic rod. So all you need to do is push the clock upwards from here, and that's it. You can see those are the plastic that caught by this metal pin, and you can see here we have those two mounting points. And now all you need to do is disconnect the wire and cut this zip tie. To remove the wire, all you need to do is push, see this plastic, and push this plastic rod towards you, and that's it. You heard the click and you disconnected the wire. And as I said before, you need now to cut the zip tie, and that's it.